Good morning, class 8. Today is 27th August. I will continue with the lesson 3, force and pressure. We have done the explanation of moment of force in the previous two session. Now today we will do the numericals related to the moment of force. So page number 44, exercise F. Solve the following numerical problem. The first question. It says that a force of 200 Newton, this is a force given to you, acts on a rigid body such that the perpendicular distance between the force and the turning point is 50 centimeter. You have to calculate the moment of force. Clear? So you have to find this. So what is the formula for the moment of force? Moment of force is equal to product of force and the perpendicular distance between the force and the turning point. Clear? So force is represented by F. Perpendicular distance between the force and the turning point is D. Now we'll put the value of force is given 200 Newton. Distance is given in centimeter, that is 50 centimeter. Now you have to change the centimeter into meter by dividing by 100. Now what you will do? You will simplify. Cancel the 0. So now you will multiply. It will be 100 Newton into meter. This is the answer of first numerical. Now numerical number 2. It says that calculate the force F applied on a body producing a moment of force 16 Newton meter. Now this time moment of force is given to us 16 Newton meter and the perpendicular distance between the point of application of force and turning point is given to us 80 centimeter. So we'll use the formula moment of force is equal to product of force and the perpendicular distance between the application of force and the turning. Now we'll substitute the value. Moment of force is 16. F we have to find and the distance D is given to us 80 centimeter. Now this is given in centimeter. You will divide by 100 in order to change into meter. So you will cancel it. Now F will be equal to cross multiply. Clear? This 10 will go on the numerator and this 8 will come on the denominator. Now you will cancel with the table of 8 2 times. So the force applied F will be 20 Newton. Answer of numerical number 2. Now numerical number 3. It says that a boy of 40 kg sits 1.2 meter from the fulcrum. This is a point F is your fulcrum. Clear? Of a seesaw. Now where should this 30 kg boy sit on the other side? Clear? In order to balance this. So we have taken it as X from the fulcrum. Now here also we have to use a moment of force formula. So this is moving which direction? This is going against the clock. So this is called anti-clockwise. Clear movement? And this is going toward the clock. So this is called clockwise movement. So anti-clockwise moment of force will be equal to clockwise movement of force. Clear? So we will put the formula F1 into D1, F1 into this is D1, this is D2, this is F2, this is F1. Clear? F1 D1 is equal to F2 D2. Now this is force is not given to us, this is given to us mass. So what you will do? You will multiply with acceleration due to gravity. 40 into G and the distance is 1.2 is equal to that is 30 multiplied with g, and we have to find the x. Now we will do the simplification. G you can cancel from the both side. 0 will be cancelled. Now what you have to do? You have to find the value of x. So x will be equal to 4 multiplied by 1.2 over 3. This 3 will come on the denominator. Therefore now we will simplify. This will cancel with the table of 3.4 times. Now you will multiply. Therefore x will come out to be 1.6 meter. So answer of the numerical number third. Now numerical number fourth. Here the numerical says the tip of the drawing pin has an area of 0.01 millimeter square. We have to find the pressure and force is given to us 20 Newton. So this is given in millimeter. So formula for the pressure is equal to force over area. So this is a formula you have to use for this numerical. Got it? So pressure is represented as P is equal to F upon A. Now we'll substitute the value, but this is not given in SI unit, meter square. So first of all you will change it. Got it? So 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 10 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. To change 1 millimeter into meter, you will divide by 1000. Now you have to change 1 millimeter square it is. Clear? So you will divide 2 times. Got it now? So now you will put the value. F is 20 Newton. Area is 0.01. Now we will change it into millimeter. So what you will do? You will multiply this in the numerator. Now you must be thinking why the ma'am is multiplying. Actually this value is in denominator. Now we will divide it. So this will go in the numerator. So what you have to do? You will remove the decimal now. From the denominator 1, 2 more zeros. Clear? So pressure will be 2 into 3, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 to the power 9. So the unit is Pascal. Clear? This is the answer of the numerical number 4th. Now question number 5th. Numerical number 5th. It says that a motorcycle weighs 1200 Newton. F is given to us. Clear? If the pressure exerted on one tire is 120 Pascal. This is the pressure exerted on the one tire. We have to find the area of the tire in contact with the road. So pressure is equal to force upon area. Therefore we have to find the area will be equal to force upon pressure. Clear? So we will substitute the value. Force is given to us 1200 Newton. Pressure is given to us 120. Now you will simplify. Cancel the 0. This will go 10 times. So area of tire is coming out to be 10 meter square. So this is the answer of the numerical number 5th. So these are the numericals I have explained you. Now you have to practice it. You have to do it in your notebook and practice on numerical example numericals also.